Today we have the dark blue Madiba, purpose-built family car. Come have a look at these sliding doors. They open backwards.
This is our Managed doing a live audio test for Chris Wake car sales. No further action is required as this is an audio test only.
Sorry about the interference. Let's go into the boot. How is the alarm system being tested? No thieves tonight. Lovely size boot. Perfect for bike racks, bikes, camping for the weekend. Round the side we go. Washing the deep blue. In we go. Having the mileage today. The mileage day is 33357. Very nice mileage. Everything's good, everything's clean. Ready to go. Let's go around the front one more time. Just to have a look at this car. It's a postcard. Chris Wake car sales. Thank you.